Ladies and gents, NTV here with another vlog. So you can see I'm hanging out with Jamie right now, and he wants me to try out Thomas the Tank Engine on the Super Nintendo. So let's give it a shot.
Press start.
Start. So, in Thomas, we can do 4 or younger, 5, 6, or 7, or 8 or older.
Clearly, you're 4.
Okay. As a side note, I like Thomas the Tank Engine. I watched it a lot as a kid. The sliding puzzle. Setting the switches. The jigsaw puzzle. Let's race Bertie. Start Thomas.
You're supposed to start Thomas because Thomas can see around the stages.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let him go. Just wait. Just wait.
Okay, so I have to do these in sequential order then. Can I do the puzzle? Click on the arrows to slide the picture back into place. How? Oh man, this is fantastic. Well done, that's great.
Press start.
Start.
Start him up. Take him to the next destination.
Setting the switches.
This game.
This is fantastic. Can you set the switches so that Thomas arrives at the station? Oh man.
You did it.
Oh man, Thomas, you can get into the station. Oh, Sir Topham Hat. Well done, Thomas. You thing.
What's his name?
Sir Topham Hat or something like that?
I never even knew that. Mind you, this game I owned when I was a kid. So, and back then I thought it was like the hardest thing. Back when I was actually 4.
Start Thomas.
The music in this game is pretty good though. Oh, can you do the puzzle?
Oh man, I don't know. Sorry, Snapchat is a thing.
Press A.
I am.
Press B.
X, Y.
Let me see.
Hold up.
Oh, there it is.
It is B. Oh man, puzzle pieces.
Am I really vlogging this entire game right now?
You said it's gonna take minutes.
It literally will take you minutes, but doesn't mean... The vlog is called Let's Play Thomas the Tank Engine. Oh, time for a race.
Oh man, do I have to button mash?
Yeah.
Nah.
For a 4-year-old to do that is pretty insane. Oh. Mash.
Press the button quickly. This is how you got good at button mashing, isn't it?
I don't know. How they make a 4-year-old do this is way beyond me.
Is that it? Like no winning fanfare?
I don't even know if you can lose. I think if you lose, you still move on.
Fixing the tracks. Oh boy. Can you fill in the brakes in the track? Oh man, go Thomas, go! You can do it, Thomas. Here's...
You're supposed to like wait for the dialogue to move forward.
Thank you for bringing the corn. The corn. Oh man.
Why is there corn?
Well. I love this game. My next Let's Play after Emerald is going to be this game.
You already have the Let's Play right here.
No, camcorder LPs don't... Oh man, button mashing.
You're racing Percy.
Hold up, I need... This is a better picture opportunity. I don't care if I lose, I need the picture.
He's trying. He's like, Thomas, you gonna go? You gotta go, Thomas. You gotta go. He's like, dude, you need to go.
There. Okay, I'll send that later. Oh man, Percy ain't holding back.
You won, even though you waited. 2 more puzzles and you're done.
Oh man, what is this one?
The face.
Let's go with Thomas.
This is a questionnaire.
Pick an adventure. Thomas and Birdie's great.
Oh, it's reading.
Oh.
God. Don't do this.
Thomas saves the day. Every day, Sir Topham Hatt came to the station. Hello, he said to Thomas. Don't let the silly freight cars tease you. You have an important job as a special helper in the yard. Who is this man? There were a lot of freight cars, and Thomas worked very hard pushing and pulling them into place. There is also a small couch and 2 strange things his driver called cranes. What train is that? That's the breakdown train, his driver said. The cranes are for lifting engines in coaches and freight cars.
Can 4-year-olds actually read this?
One day, James came rushing through too fast.
This music.
Who is that? Help! Help!
Hold on.
They're pushing me. He panted on and on and on. Left the freight car.
Listen to the music.
What will happen to James? Soon came the alarm. James.
Oh, you can have the thing read it back to you if you press the lips.
Soon came the alarm. James is off the
Oh,
Get the
this is
breakdown
great.
train quickly.
No.
No, I don't want to go back. I don't want to know what. I know what happens to James. Thomas was coupled on, and off they went. What train is that? Thomas worked his hardest. Hurry, 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 he puffed. Bother those freight cars and their tricks, I hope, or James isn't hurt. They found James.
Oh my god.
I love this game. How can Thomas help James? He pulled the freight cars. Oh dear, they groaned. Serves you right, serves you right.
Puff Thomas.
Thomas, you're a really useful engine. And you shall have a branch line all to yourself. I think I might remember the episode this is based off of. Yes, I do! I remember this episode.
Why is Thomas a really useful engine? Is that it? Oh my god. What about the first story?
This one. Thomas's quiz.
You get the quiz on the story now.
That's right, well done. What is Thomas pulling? Oh, piss.
The crane, the freight cars, right?
That's right, well done.
What's your limit on your vlog on this? 10 minutes?
Yeah.
We're at 9 minutes.
Who is the engine in the picture?
You're almost done. That's Thomas.
Holla! Holla!
You beat the game.
I beat Thomas. Oh, start. I'm sorry. Did I win?
There's no ending. You have to keep going around for the rest of your life. So the game will never end. That's the fun fact.
Yeah! Okay, after playing Thomas the Tank Engine, I'm pretty much just watching Jamie play Rhythm Heaven Fever.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I don't feel like doing anything else, I'll just end off the vlog here. Anything you want to say?
I like seals that roll.